Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install Tailwind or how to set up a Tailwind project. Alright, let's get started. So before we install Tailwind, I just need you to install this software and make sure that your computer have this software. The first one is Node.js. You can go to nodejs.org to download the software. Alright, just click here to download, and when you finish download, you just click on the files to install the software. The installation is step by step. Click on next, 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 and finish. Alright, next software that I need you to install on your computer is Git Bash. Okay, search for Git Bash over here, and then you will see this URL git-scm.com. Click on it. So if you use Windows, I recommend you to install this software, but if you use Linux or Mac OS, you don't need to install this software at all. Okay, click on download, and if you use like 36-bit version of Windows, you can click download over here. And the installation is step by step as well. Just click on next, 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 and finish. So the next software that I recommend you to install is Visual Studio Code. So this is really popular code editor in this era. Okay, just download and install on your computer. Next, I need you to go to Tailwind website. Okay, then click on Docs, and you will see how to install Tailwind over here. There are multiple ways of using Tailwind in your projects, but in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to install Tailwind by using CLI. Okay, let's create a folder. So I want to create Tailwind projects on desktop, so I create folder over here. My name is Tailwind. Okay, and then I right click over here and I click on Git Bash here. If you install Git Bash, you will see Git Bash here over here. Click on it. So if you don't use Git Bash, I recommend you to go to this path by using your terminal. Okay, next we are going to type npm init. So we are going to create package files for this project. You have to name the package. So I'm going to name it Tailwind, and version 1 and description Tailwind sample. Okay, and endpoint is index.js. It's okay, just keep the default and enter. I can name it Alex. Okay, and enter. License doesn't matter, and enter. Okay, next let's open Tailwind folder with Visual Studio Code. I'm going to type code dot. Okay, and it's going to open. You will see this package.json over here. Okay, next step, I just want you to copy this code and copy it and paste it in here and hit enter. Okay, npm or node will download Tailwind package and install on this folder. You will see this folder over here, node modules, and you will see Tailwind folder over here as well. That means Tailwind has been added to this folder. Okay, next we have to generate Tailwind config files, which is these files. So we can generate these files by using this command. Copy it and paste it over here. Okay, and then you go to the tag editor. You will see tailwind.config.js over here. Click on it. Okay. Next, it's recommend you to use this path. Okay, we are going to copy the path, paste it over here. Okay, and save. And next is tell you to create a source folder and input.css files. Okay, let's create source folder. src, and click over here, new files, and then input.css CSS. Okay. Next, just copy this code and paste it over here. Okay. And it tells you to run the build command. You can copy this command and then you can paste this over here. You will see this command will keep watching these files input.css and compile this to output over here. So it will keep watching any files in source folder here in source folder. So we can create index.html over here, and then we can try our first Tailwind. Just copy this code and paste this over here and save it. So I have installed live server, so I recommend you to install this one, this extension on your code editor. Okay, then when you install it, you can right click on index and you can open with live server. Okay, you will see this one, hello world. So this is hello world code over here. So to verify if you can use Tailwind successfully, when you edit the code over here, for example, if I want to change the text color of hello world, I type text purple. Okay, I think 800 is okay, and then I save. You will see that command lines rebuild new output, and when you see over here, just save again, you will see the color of the text has been changed. For example, if you want to put background, you can put BG by yellow 200. Okay, save. You have to save 2 times. Okay, you will see the background color of this text has been changed. Okay, we have installed Tailwind successfully. So, and the other package that I recommend is Tailwind Intelligent over here. This one, I recommend you install this package too. Okay, for example, if you want to move this index.html to this, you can do so. You can move it, but you have to change Tailwind configs content over here. So you have to change it to this. You might don't need this one. Okay, you just save. And let's try again. Okay, let's right click and open with live server. It still work. For the path, we can just put output over here. Okay, and we can change this to red instead of yellow. And if I save it, you will see it's rebuilt and you will see the background color change to red. Okay, this is all about this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, in the last video, we've learned how to install Tailwind and create a website like this. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and design a website like this by using Tailwind. I have used Figma to design the layout of the website over here, and I will put the link down below so you can download it. Alright. The last time we have to save 2 times in order to refresh this page on web browser. So I have a little setting that you can do in order to save only 1 time to refresh the websites on web browser. Alright, just click on over here. You just go to extension and click on live server, and then click on extension setting and click check over here, live server setting full reload. So to tell is to reload CSS every time we save. You have to do this, and you can close, and then close the projects, and you can reopen the projects again. Okay, I will reopen the projects again. And you have to make sure all the time that you code Tailwind, you have to run this command to recompile Tailwind. Okay. All right, let's get started. So let's take a look at the layout over here. We have company logo over here and we have menu over here. All right, let's create it. I'm going to remove this one. So we are going to get started with navbar, right? So I won't put any CSS yet. I'm going to put HTML first. Okay, HTML, and then we have div, and next I need logo determine. Next I need another div for menu. Okay, li, and a tag, href for nothing, and then we need home menu. Okay, let's take a look more. We need home, course, block, and about. Okay, this is for logo and this is for menu. I'm going to copy this one and put this down below here. We need this for courses, of course, and block, and then about. Okay, all right, let's take a look at let's reload this one. Right click, open with live server. Okay, we will get something like this. So we need to use Tailwind to style this HTML element to look like this navbar. Okay, so let's do it. I need container. Okay, we need container when we look at over here. We need container. Let's take a look container. We need container class to make our layout be responsive and look better on any web browser. Okay, let's use container to cover all of this element. Okay, let's put div class container. Okay, we put container, there is nothing changed. But if we put a background color to navbar, so actually the navbar doesn't have background color, but I just want to put it on navbar to make you see a better picture about Tailwind. Okay, let's put BG background, and then if you hit control and space, you will see color down below, and you can choose like purple or blue. I'm just going to use blue 800. You will see navbar over here. So I just want these to sit side by side. I want logo and a menu to sit side by side. So I put flex over here. So it's side by side right now. And we need the home button, course, block, about to be row or to sit side by side. So we can specify flex over here. See, it's in one row. And then we need the space between determine and menu. So we put justify between. Okay. This is a container, the end of the container box. So I just want the container box to be at the center. So in container over here, I just put MX auto to make container at the center. You will see the container at the center right now when you zoom in. I just need padding inside the container. Okay, I put padding x axis equal 2. Okay, this should be good. This look good. And I need padding y-axis in navbar as well. So I'm going to put y equal 4 y-axis. It's padding y-axis. You will get something like this. So I need the space between menu, each menu. So I can use space x, space x-axis 4. So you will see the space between this menu. All right, this look good. So let's take a look. So what else we need? we need this logo to look like this. Actually it's just other font. So I just want to make this determine logo bigger, so I can use class and then I put tags. Tag is means tags. So if the class relates to tags, we use tags and dash and then just put the size. I can put 3XL over here. See, it's go bigger. And this one, I just want this menu to be bigger as well. So I put tags, maybe LG. So the tags will go bigger. Will be bigger. Okay. So we need to change the font of this logo. Okay, what can we do? So let's take a look at over here, font family. Okay, just click over here. So this is how you add font family. So because Figma support Google font, so we are going to get this font in Google font. This font's called Pacifico. Okay, let's take a look at Google font. No, just search for the font over here. Pacifico. Okay, just click on over here. Just click and then click and select this font and copy this one. Okay, and then you have to put is over here to add font, Google font to your web template. Okay, and this is how to add font in CSS, but the document show you this is how you can add fonts to Tailwind. You just copy this code. Okay, and then you come here and then you go to Tailwind config.js, and in extension you just paste the code that you copy, and when you look over here you see the font name. I'm going to copy this one and put it inside this bracket. Okay, and we need double quote over here. So I'm going to change this one to be Pacifico. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Alright, this should be good. So you can use the font. You can change the font of determine over here by typing font, then Pacifico over here. Okay, this look good, and let's take a look in our website again. Why it doesn't change? So let's take a look at the compiles. What's wrong with this? You see there is an error when we first add the font, so we have to recompile this code. So we can use this code to recompile Tailwind CSS because there is an error. There was an error. Okay, and let's save again and let's see if there is error. No. Yeah, you will see the logo change. Alright, this video we have learned how to create navbar. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to create this banner. Okay guys, in the last video, we have learned how to create a navbar. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a banner section like this. Okay, we are going to remove the blue color in navbar. Okay, just take out the blue color. Okay, below here we are going to create banner section. Okay, let's put section, and I'm going to put ID banner. So this doesn't matter, ID doesn't matter for Tailwind. You can put whatever you want, but in this case I will put banners because it's helped me to differentiate between each section in the website. Okay, let's take a look more. So we have two boxes over here, this side by side. So, and we need container box over here. Okay, we need container box. Let's put div and put class container. We need a container box to be at the center, so we put mx auto. And we need two boxes for content to sit side by side. So the first box is for text and content. The second box is for image. So I'm going to put image over here. Source. Put empty first and then in the text. Over here I need h3. I need this tag. I'm going to copy it. You can type it or you can copy it. So I put h3. Put this one, and next is welcome tags is h1. So I'm going to put h1. So and this role ipsum tags. Okay, just put p tag. Alright, next is a button. So just put a tags for a button. On here. Take a course now. So I'm going to export this image. Okay, let me export out to my project. So desktop, Tailwind. So in this, I'm going to create a folder. Name images. Okay, and then access the folder and name this banner image. Okay, just save it. So we exported the image. So we can use image over here, source. You can press control space and then access to image folder inside here and then choose banner. Alright, let's take a look at the website. Okay, it looks like this. It's pretty similar to our Figma layout. Okay, we need a background color to be indigo. So for the banner over here, I can put class, so bg indigo. So it should be 900. So you can look at the color in Tailwind as well. Our color over here, you will see the color that you can use in Tailwind. This is default color. We have indigo and 800, and we can use pink, we can use rose, whatever you want. So in this case, I'm going to use indigo. Okay, let's take a look. So yeah, it's look good, but we need this box, first box and the second box to be side by side or to sit side by side. Okay, we know this one, so the container, so we make it flex so the child will sit side by side. So we want these two boxes to have the equal width, so we can determine the width over here. Class width is 1/2. Okay, and the box for image is 1/2 as well. So copy this one and put it over here. It's 1/2. It's a 1/2 right now. Let's take a look more. So we need a padding in the banner. So I'm going to put padding in the banner over here. PY 16. Okay, we have padding over here. See, padding. And you see this one, we need padding here. So the determine logo and the text, these tags start at the same position. So we need to put padding X at container. PX2. So each container should have PX2. Okay, then it's the same. They are the same position. Okay, I want these tags to be at the center here, to move at the center of a container box or of its parent box. So this one, I want this one to be center. So I can make it fixed, and then I can put item center. Okay, and I have to use column, flex column. So it's fake row now, so I change it to flex column. Oh, it doesn't work. I have to put justify center. Justify center. Okay. Okay, it's worked now. I might don't need item center. Let's see. Yeah, should be something like this. Okay, it look pretty similar. So we can make a image to be full width, so it can go all the way to here. Okay. Image class with full. So you can see, you can look at this class in Tailwind documentation on its website over here. So you can look at that class. And so see, the image is full width right now. So we need to change this text to be red. Okay, here red, and make it bigger. Okay, we put class over here. So I want to change it to be red first. Text red 600 maybe, and then text XL to make it bigger, and make it become uppercase. We use uppercase class. Okay, it look good. So next we need welcome text to be white. Okay, class text white, make it bigger, text 3XL, and I just want to make it bold, font bold. Okay, save. Okay, it's bold now. So I need padding top and bottom for this welcome to Deptamine. So I can put padding y-axis 3. Okay, okay, it look good. It had the padding on top as at the bottom. Okay, next we move to Rollem Ipsum. We put class. We need text to be white. Okay. Next we need this button to look like the button in Figma here. So a text over here, take a course now. We put class. We put background color to be red, 700, and text is white. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, it's go all the way to the image. So I have to put inline block. Okay, let's see. What's wrong with this? Oh, because it's flex now. It's flex here, so I have to put a div to cover the element inside the flex, so it won't go all the way to the image. Okay, save it. Okay, it's look good now. So we need a padding X and padding Y for this button to make it look good. So px equal 6, I think. Py is equal to. Okay, it look good. So we need a padding button. So we need some space between this button and this Rollem Ipsum text. Padding bottom pb is equal 4. Bottom. Okay, it's look good right now. So I need padding over here as well, so I'm going to put padding in this box. So class padding right is 6, should be okay. So we have space between image and text. Okay, it's look good right now. So yeah, it's look pretty similar to our Figma website or our Figma layout. So this is the website. Alright, this is all about this video. In the next video, we are going to learn how to create the latest courses section over here. Alright everyone, in this video we will continue working on latest courses. Okay, let's go to our project. Alright, let's create a section. So ID, I put latest courses. Okay, let's create container. And then we need the container to be at the center. So we put mx auto and px equal to, okay. And in the latest course, we have latest course heading over here. So let's put it over here. Head to latest course. And then I put class. So I want the text to be large. So I put text XL. And then I need font bold. And I need space at the bottom. So I put margin bottom 10. Okay. Okay, I need space in this section as well. So I put class padding y-axis 16. So this look good. Okay, next we are going to create a box that contain card. Okay, we put div, and we have 3 card over here in one row. So we put div class with 1/3 because we need 3 box in one row or 3 card in one row. The card contains image and text over here, you see. So we just put image over here, and we put source, and then we put div. This is the div that contain text. So we put h4, and then I just copy the text over here. Learn basic JavaScript. Okay, and then copy the description over here. So I can put p tags for description, and then we need a button, take a course. So we can put a tag. So I put href nothing. Okay. Okay, I'm going to export this image to our project. Let's export it out. So JavaScript course image. Okay, save. So let's include that image over here. Image JavaScript course, save. Alright, let's take a look at the preview. Oh, we need container over here. So the container just cover this one. Just make the container cover everything. Sorry, just it over here. Okay. Okay, the image width needs to be full width. So I put class width full, save. Okay, it look good. Alright, we need a box shadow for this card. So we put box shadow over here. Shadow. I put LG. Okay, this look good. We need a padding over here. So we put padding here. So class px is 4, padding x-axis, padding y-axis is 6. Okay, this look good. So I need a border radius for this card. So I put rounded LG. So I need a border radius over here, so I can put overflow hidden. All right, this look good. All right, what else? We need to change this text to be bold here, so we put class font bold. Okay, and we need space, so we put P MB2. Okay, and we look at it. Okay, it's look good. And for this one, we put class MB2 as well. We need margin button to be 2. All right, this look good. So we need to change this to be a button. So we put class BG red 600, and then inline block, and we need px padding x-axis is equal 4, padding y-axis is 2, and change the text to be small, and text needs to be white. Okay, this look totally good. All right, the next step, we just copy this card. All right, this is the card, and this div is parent of this card. Okay, so we can copy this one, 1, 2. Okay, we have 3 cards right now, so we need this card to sit side by side. So we just come to the parent class and put class flex. Okay, it's going to sit side by side. I need some space between each card, so I can put gap 6. Okay, all right, this look good, and this look similar to this one. Okay, just export this image out. PHP course image. Export this image out. Blockchain course image. All right, let's change this image to be PHP, and this image is blockchain course. All right, let's change the title or the course name. Learn basics PHP to develop website. And this one change is to be learn blockchain technology for the future. Save, and let's take a look at our website. All right, it looks pretty similar to Figma layout. Okay, in the next video, we are going to create student feedback section. Okay guys, in this video, we are going to create student feedback section over here. All right, let's get started. Section. Okay, we need ID over here. Feedback. Okay, and put class. We can put background color to be red 600. Okay, and I might need PY to be 11, and text color to be white. Okay. Okay, then I need a container div. Class container. Okay, MX auto, and then padding y-axis 2, and okay, and then put student feedback, and we need p tag for lorem ipsum. Just copy this one. Okay, let's take a look on our website. Okay, we get this one, student feedbacks. I want to put a head 2 bigger, so I put class text 3XL and make it font bold, and margin button 5 because I need space at the bottom of the text. Okay, look good. I might put text center. Let's see. Okay, look good. For the lorem ipsum, so we put class. I need a padding, x-axis, so 24, and text center. Okay, you will see padding over here, and text align center. Okay, let's take a look more. Okay, we need to create this box, this card for each student feedback. All right, let's get started with this one, and then we can copy it to create another one. Okay, let's create parent div for each student feedback. Okay, here is the div for student feedback. So we can put class with 1/3 because there are 3 feedback per row. Okay, and then put text center. All right, let's create div for image source. So let's make it empty, and then we can fill it up later on. Let's make heading 5, student name. This is for student name. All right, let's copy student name for here, and let's put p tag for student feedback. Okay, copy it and put it over here. Okay, let's take a look. Right, let me export this image out here. Export John Lexa. Okay, save. So put image over here. Image John Lexa. Save. Let's see. Okay, it looks like this. I just want the image to be at the center. So the div over here, I put class flex, and then put justify center. Okay, save. Okay, I need the space between the image and the name, so I will put MB5 over here. Okay, this look good. I need padding for this box, for the student feedback box, so I can put over here padding 12. Okay, this look good. Right, next we need to put star over here. We need to put it over here, and I'm going to use font awesome. So let's search for font awesome together. I'll just put CDN over here and click on this link and copy this tag. Okay, link tag, and paste it over here. So we can go to Font Awesome website, Font Awesome. Click on icon and search for star. Okay, just copy this star. Alright, over here, down below here, let's create div to contain stars. Okay, and then paste the star over here. So we need 5 star. I need the star to be 0 and space between them. So I can put class space x2. Okay, you see the space. I can put class MB over here as well too, and this one name, put class mb2 and font bold. The style needs to be yellow. I just put text yellow 400. Okay. Alright, this look good. Let's copy 2 more. Okay, this one, 2. Should be 3 right now. So, alright, we want it to place side by side, so we just put flex on its parent. So put class flex. Okay, this look good. I can put I need a gap, so I can put gap 6. Alright, this look perfect. Okay, just export this image out. Mary. Okay, and this just export him. Mike. Okay, we should have to Mary. I don't know if I write it correctly. So then put Mike. Okay, this should be Mike Tim. Okay, this one Mary Dean. Okay, all right, this look good. We've done this section. In the next section, we are going to create about us. Okay, in this video, we are going to learn how to create about us section over here. All right, let's get started. Section. You can put ID, about us, class py16, and then just put container, div, class container, make container center mx auto, and padding y2. Okay, we need 2 div to sit side by side, so over here we can put flex, and then div 1 and second div for image. Put class with 1/2. Copy it and put this over here. And next we want to put head 2, and in head 2 we put about us. Okay, and then we have p tag. We put description about us over here. Copy it and put it over here. Okay, in the second box we have image, and I'm going to put source. So we are going to export this image out. So export it out. So about us image. Okay, just control image about us. Okay, this look pretty good. I want this one to be at the center. Fix over here and put fix column. Okay, and put justify center. Okay, this at the center right now, so put text align center as well. Text center, I mean. Okay, save. All right, we are going to make about us bigger and bold. So class text 3XL, font is bold, and margin bottom is 5. Okay, this look good. So I need padding over here, padding in this box. So over here I just put padding 6, px 6, maybe 16. Okay, this look good. Okay, we want to create this box behind the image. Let's make image full width, class full width full. Okay. Alright, let's create the box behind image. So I put div, put class bg indigo 900, and then just wanna put height full, width full. Okay, let's take a look. So how we make this box go behind the image? So we have to set this to be absolute position. Let's take a look. And this one to be relative, parent to be relative, and child to be absolute. So this one is relative too. Okay, and we determine position of this box. So we put top 6, and we make left 6, make it go to the left. This is the starting position. We have to make minus, so makes -6 instead of 6. Okay, this look good. So I just want to bring the image to the front. Okay, so I put C10. C10 is mean set index or C index. Okay, this look good. Alright, this is all about this video. In the next video, we are going to learn how to create footer section. Alright, in this video, we are going to create footer section over here. Alright, let's get started. Under section here, I put footer. So then I put class, background color, indigo 900, and put padding y-axis 11, might be 12, and then I need a div and class container. Okay, and then center it, mx auto, and padding x is 2, text is white. Okay, we have div. So we want the child's div to sit side by side. We put class facts. Okay. The first div is explore us. The second div is learn more, and the third div is logo and copyright. So we put div. This should be head2 explore. Just put class. Text should be 3XL and font must be bold, and margin button is 4. Okay, and next section is learn more, and the last section is logo, company name. So we can put div to mean. Okay, and then put copyright. Okay, and then copyright, just copy it from here, copy, and put over here. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, we have 3 sections, sit side by side. So I need is to have the same width, so I can put justify between over here. Alright, this look good. So we need to change this logo to be Pacifico font. So we put font Pacifico. Okay, this look good. Next, let's create a menu link in learn more. UL, LI, A tag, href is nothing, and then put home. So just copy this one, and then put course, blog, and about us, or about. Alright, save. So I need margin left in the menu. So I put class ml6. Alright, this look good. Next, I want to create Facebook icon and YouTube icon over here. So I can put ul li and a tag is left to blank. So we need Facebook icon over here. So let's go to font awesome. Let's search for Facebook. Alright, let's copy this icon. Copy it. Paste this over here. And just copy list over here and paste this down below. And change this one to be YouTube. And save. Alright, we have two icons. We need it to sit side by side. So we just put flex over here. Another list. And put flex. Okay, I need space between it. So I put space x2. Okay. So I need the icon to be bigger. I can put text 6xl. Okay, the icon is big now. I won't change the color of the icon, but I will put more space. I think the white color is look more interesting than its default color. Just put space 4. Okay, this look good. Alright, this is all about this tutorial. If you like my video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.